Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to maintain a pool. We'll dive into the various expenses you can expect, helping you understand where your money goes. From daily upkeep to occasional repairs, knowing these costs is key to enjoying your pool without financial surprises. We'll cover everything from chemicals to utilities, giving you a clear picture of what to budget for. Let's get started. Keeping your pool water sparkling clean involves regular chemical treatments and cleaning. Expect to spend around $180 to $750 each year on essential chemicals like chlorine and pH balancers. If you opt for professional weekly cleaning, that could be an additional $80 to $150 per visit. However, doing it yourself with basic supplies might only cost $50 to $100 annually. Beyond routine cleaning, your pool equipment will occasionally need attention or replacement. A new pool pump, for instance, averages about $1,300, though prices vary. Larger investments, like replacing a vinyl liner, can range from $4,500 to $6,500 every 10 to 15 years. Smaller repairs, such as filter cleaning, usually cost $50 to $100 per service. Finally, let's talk about the ongoing utility costs. Running your pool pump can add anywhere from $30 to $200 to your electricity bill each month, depending on its efficiency and usage. If you enjoy a heated pool, prepare for an extra $200 to $400 monthly. Don't forget about water replacement due to evaporation, which typically costs $20 to $500 per season. These are essential for a comfortable swimming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.